Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new seed pack in Grove Garden Fall Market Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The update has been launched, and from this update, we will get this new fall seed pack. And if you want to get the seed pack, just go to the Fall Festival seed shop and you can buy the fall seed pack here, and it costs 10 million shekels if I'm not mistaken. And I have already bought the seed pack, so I'm going to open it and let's see what we get. Okay, and oh, I got torch flare, and it's a mythical blend. And I'm going to show the shop. Okay, those are the possibility guys, and I just got the plant with 10% possibility from this fall seed pack, and yeah, that's so cool. Okay, these are the possible seeds that you can get from the fall seed pack. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.